everyone, welcome back to another video from Tech Basics. In this tutorial episode, we will be learning how to delete symbol in MetaTrader 4. To delete a symbol in MetaTrader 4, open the MetaTrader 4 application. After you're inside the main homepage of MetaTrader 4 after logging in, tap on the little pencil icon at the top left within the Codes tab. Now select the symbol you want to delete. Tap on the little circle right in front of the symbol and then click on the trash icon at the top right, which will then delete the selected symbol within the Codes tab. You can repeat this step for more symbols you want to delete, and there you have it. That is how you can easily do it. If you found the video helpful, make sure to give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to Tech Basics for more tutorials like this. I will be back again in the next episode. Thank you for watching.